when they have the interview, they have your script.
Yeah.
You know what you've written actually.
Oh,
So-
they ask questions
Yeah.
on that? What
Yeah.
you've written? Oh, nice.
and they were like, ये क्या लिखा है तुमने इसमें? The sheet that they had, yeah. They were like, ये क्या लिखा है तुमने ये? And I was just sitting there, right?
Puneet sir told you this because Farmizi CEO, he didn't get placed from here.
Oh.
Last day.
बिल्कुल, ये ना गाजियाबाद की बात हो रही है, ये एनसीआर रीजन की बात हो रही है। यहाँ पे दिल्ली बड़ा ही पॉलिटिकली इंक्लाइन तो है, ये गढ़ है, राइट?
यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है।
रिजेक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है, तो इसलिए यू हैव टू बी सो स्मार्ट। कन्वर्ट करो, बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे अपनी पास ऑप्शन कौन सी, कहाँ नहीं जाना है।
Yeah.
आज IMT गाजियाबाद में बैठे हैं तो मैं बड़ा लॉयल हूँ तो All right, hi everyone, welcome on board. Today I am sitting with these fellow Cat King family, Cat King YouTube family who are sitting on that side of the table. और आज ये यहाँ बैठे हुए मेरे साथ IMT गाजियाबाद के अंदर. Let's talk about you guys. Tell me your name, a little bit about your profile and your cat personal level.
So I'm Karishma Budrani. I am a fresher and I have done graduation in finance and accounting. So I've done BBA from Ahmedabad.
Very good. How about you?
So I'm Sankal Vivek. I've done my engineering from Shivnadar University.
And yeah,
And cat personnel was?
cat percentile was 93 point something.
बहुत बढ़िया.
So I am Aryaman Mohta. I'm from Jodhpur. Done my bachelor's in commerce. I was a table tennis player, so I played nationals in that as well.
Nice.
Got a cat percentile of 95.6.
Please explain us, Karishma, like overall पहले overarching thought about the IMT Ghaziabad process.
Yes.
And
So
then we'll talk
firstly, we give a critical thinking test, which is basically we are given a topic on which we have to write about 150 words. So basically what they're trying to see in that is how we think about a certain topic, how creative we are and how much can we show our ability in just those 150 words. And then we move on to the interview process.
150 word, that's
Yes.
it. ये तो बहुत कम ही हो गया यार. 6 लाइन 7 लाइन हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
Maximum 10 lines. Yeah. Okay, good. Huh.
Then we move to the interview process.
Yeah,
which
we'll
is-
come to that. What kind of topics were asked, if you remember that?
So my topic was should we be given the work from home thing, because it was recently COVID had happened, so it was my opinions on the work from home.
Work from home ownership.
Mine was like hard work is better or smart work is better.
Okay, great.
So that
Some
kind
generic
of-
ones as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine was related to hobbies. So it was a very generic one. Like it's you have to express your creativity, like how creative you are, and then only you get to the interview directly.
Awesome. But there are other topics like current affairs topics, budget पूछ लिया, ये सब भी होते हैं कि interviews के लिए
That
होते
is more in the interview.
Yeah.
हैं? Okay, but rest is generic.
Yes.
But they just test what your written skills, whatever. How do you think, right?
Yeah.
In the
So
written.
there is their coercion in your thoughts. Are you very like you're writing with thought or you're writing just for the sake of writing?
बढ़िया.
That's the kind of
They have that with interview as well. Like when they have the interview, they have your script.
Yeah.
You know what you've written actually.
Oh,
So-
they ask questions
Yeah.
on that? What you've
Yeah.
written? Oh, nice. So you carry that sheet inside the interview.
they have it with
They
them
have it.
while
They
they're
have it,
interviewing.
yes.
Yep.
Okay. So how did it happen? They have offline interviews, online interviews.
So they have multiple centers across. Since I was in Ahmedabad, they had a center in Ahmedabad. I went there and gave it. So we were all seated in one room for the critical thinking test, and we were given like half an hour to think about it. And then they took all our sheets, and then we had to proceed to the interview.
Okay, so it was like all 60 students put
Yes.
together in one room, go and
Yes.
give the test, and after that they will call you one by one.
Yes.
They'll take your sheets away.
Yes.
10 minutes, 5 minutes, how much time?
For the critical
Yeah.
thinking,
Yeah.
we were given 15 to 20 minutes.
15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
That's like an average time, which most of the IIMs also do that. Great, yaar. Let's talk about the interview experiences. तो तू engineer है,
Yes, sir.
fresher, right? And आप हो
Big commerce.
commerce, great. तेरा क्या?
Commerce, yeah.
Commerce, fresher.
Fresh.
All freshers, good यार. Work ex जनता तो मैं बता दूंगा क्या पढ़ना है. But we'll talk about work ex as well. पहले तो अपना interview experience बताइए, क्या पूछा गया था? How was the interview experience?
Yes. So, firstly, 50% of my interview is based on current affairs. The hometown that I come from, they ask questions related to that. My religion-based questions, who I am.
Religion?
Since I'm Sindhi,
Okay.
so they asked if I know any famous Sindhi personalities to
Ah.
see my general awareness about myself.
Who's
and then
famous Sindhi personality? I'm curious.
LK Advani, like the
Oh.
businessman, and we have like stand-up comedians, some actors, Ranveer Singh and everything.
Yeah, Ranveer Singh is
Yes.
Hindi. And overall chill? Vibe
Yes,
was chill?
absolutely. It was not a stress interview for me at all. And then the rest of 50% was my academics, my background. Since I was a finance and accounting student, they asked me about basic accounting questions. And so 50% was that, and the rest was current affairs.
So anybody who prepares current affairs like last 3 months ka is more than sufficient?
Absolutely. Because I think that time Olympics was kind of in buzz. So they asked me a few questions related to Olympics as well.
And if the budget is done, budget is a favorite topic
Yes,
of
Budget,
IIMT
yeah.
Ghaziabad
That
as
is
well.
mostly us.
Mostly asked in all the पहले first से लेके ये ऐसा टॉपिक है जो पहले फेब से लेके 10 फेब तक हर आईएम के अंदर बजट ही चल रहा होता है टिल द प्रोफेसर गेट बोर्ड एंड द बज इज गॉन एंड देन until unless कुछ drastic change हुआ हो,
Yeah.
you know, then the budget dies and move ahead. तो budget तो बढ़ना ही है. Great. What kind of current affairs? What else? Like, was it like a rapid fire current affairs or one or two questions here and then?
No,
You
it
tell
was
us?
1 and 2 questions here and there. It was
Okay.
not rapid fire at all. So they asked Olympics. They asked, I think, something about geography as well. Some capitals of some countries. I think I was asked as well.
Oh, ये पता नहीं क्यों पूछ रहे हैं यार. This feedback you should give to the admissions team. Capitals, currencies, ये standard एक बार पढ़ के जाना चाहिए.
Yeah.
ये भी ठीक है, but they also end up asking prime minister, पहले वाला कौन था, तीसरा कौन था, presidents, and sometimes they've asked like go in the descending order of age of the president, who was what. I was
Yeah.
like, bro, we don't need that. But any which way, so भाई president पढ़ लो. And some civic sense questions are also very very important. Civic sense मतलब not like civics वाले जो question होते थे, राज्यसभा क्या है, लोकसभा क्या है, कितने मेंबर हैं, सिलेक्शन कैसे होती है, तुम्हारे एरिया में से कोई कहाँ जाते हैं, वो लोकसभा में जाते हैं कि राज्यसभा में जाते हैं. डू यू नो समबडी? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी काफी बार आ जाते
I
हैं.
was asked some decision question, like some decision was made recently at that time, but the government for, I think, the odd even number plate or something like that. I was asked, what do you think about this? To know my opinion, if I agree with them, or what should it be changed, to see how do I think.
बिल्कुल. ये ना गाजियाबाद की बात हो रही है, ये एनसीआर रीजन की बात हो रही है. यहाँ पे दिल्ली बड़ा ही पॉलिटिकली इंक्लाइंड तो है, ये गढ़ है, राइट? राजधानी है. तो यहाँ पे ये जितने भी इंटरव्यूज तुम दोगे, एमडीआई हो गया, आईएफटी हो गया, आपका हो गया, वो पॉलिटिक्स क्वेश्चंस तो होते ही हैं. And many of the professors are also advisors. In fact, I met one of our finance professors. He's an advisor to Government of India. Sunit or Punit Tandon, I think. Punit Gupta. Punit Gupta, yeah. Great guy, yaar. I met him. Amazing guy, amazing. He's an advisor to government. तो आधे प्रोफेसर तो प्रोजेक्ट भी कर रहे होते हैं सरकार के साथ, राइट? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ग्रेट. लेट्स गो टू यू, संकल्प.
So I live here in Ghaziabad only. Went into the room and I gave my written. That was the critical thinking. I was pretty much chill after that because that question was very it was for me. It was not to test any of my knowledge. It was what I think of a particular topic. So I just wrote that. And I used one framework that was 4 to 5 forces in the
Achha, very nice.
And then we were asked to make a line and move to this MDRC region.
टॉपिक क्या था सर तेरा, दोबारा बताओ.
Mine was whether smart work is better or hard work is better.
इसमें तूने पोर्टर 5 क्या लगाया भाई?
It was I just used some jargons to enhance the.
Okay, but how? I'm curious to know. I want to see that sheet someday.
Yes, so maybe today if I have to write that article, I would write it much simpler.
Okay.
Because now I know how to put my words more easily.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. That reminds me to give them some framework. That's always good. एक तो बेसिक होता है फिशबोन डायग्राम, जो अपन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में हर बंदा अपनी पीपीटी में बनाता होता है, राइट? फिशबोन डायग्राम इज वेरी एक्सप्लेन लाइक कौन से कॉजेस है, कौन सा इफेक्ट है, राइट? फाइनल वाला यू कैन ऐड इन द कॉजेस. एक तो वो है. देन यू कैन डू द पेस्टल एनालिसिस, राइट? गूगल मार लेना भाई पेस्टल एनालिसिस. तो ये फ्रेमवर्क, मतलब कोई भी चीज क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो हम पेस्टल एनालिसिस लगा सकते हो. एंड यू थिंक फ्रॉम पॉलिटिकल एंगल, इकोनॉमिकल एंगल, इकोलॉजिकल एंगल. तुम्हें थोड़ा एक फ्रेमवर्क बनना शुरू हो जाता है, राइट? यू कैन और बेसिक वाला एक स्वॉट एनालिसिस तो कर ही सकते हो, राइट? 2 लाइन लिख के अपना स्वॉट करो. ये भी एक बार आई थिंक I don't remember which year was that, and how was the interview experience then?
So in the interview, I was asked mainly about the industries. What all industries that I am interested in. So I mentioned EV. So they asked me what EV is doing right now. Is there any threats you see in the EV industry? So that all was asked. I had a minor stunt in opening a food venture in my undergraduate days. So I was also asked that whether if you have to open a food store here in the local market, how would you manage it? How would you go about having that store? How would you grow that store in future years?
Very
so
good.
that was the type of questions that were asked to me. And I found the interview to be very, very relaxing, very engaging. And I was, throughout the interview, it made me think again and again about my answers.
Good.
And the answers were broken, and then I was made to form another answer for the particular situation.
No stress, nothing, chill.
No, stress was not there. The interviews were very calm. They made me also very calm in the interview, so that was fine.
Yes. How was your interview experience, please?
So it was so funny that I'll tell you. I entered and they were like, "ये क्या लिखा है तुमने इसमें?" The sheet that they had, yeah. They were like, "ये क्या लिखा है तुमने ये?" And I was just sitting there, right? I was like, इतना तो कुछ खराब नहीं लिखा, मतलब hobbies लिखी थी. I was like,
हिंदी में?
No, I just gave the answer in English. Yeah, that I was just writing my hobbies and everything. I was like, बहुत खराब लिखा है तुमने ये वो. And then the other one said that no, it's okay, it's just chilling out you. You know, yeah. तो टांगे खींच रहे थे वो एक तरह से. They played actually good cop bad cop with me. So the one person was asking me accounting questions, commerce का. तो it was like अच्छा ये क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है. And I already told them that I am okay. I'm focusing on professional table tennis. I focused over there. Not much into studies. Got good marks, but not much into studies. तो वो एकदम grill करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. But the other one was playing a very good, good cop. कि अरे chill करो तुम, कोई बात नहीं आता तो. So he was trying to get my creativity out.
के क्या सवाल पूछे थे?
मतलब मेरे को तो आता ही नहीं था. So I was like कि I was initially saying कि मेरे को नहीं आता है. So I was like, if you don't know ना, don't elaborate more.
Yeah.
Because they have so much experience. They have 10 to 12 years of interview experience. So faculty भी है यहाँ पे. So just say to them कि yeah, okay, I don't know, but I will look it out afterwards. So that keeps it also कि यार okay, मतलब जानना तो चाहते हैं. Like that.
सबसे बड़ा पुट अप होता है टीचर को जब वो तुम गैस दे रहे हो और पता है हमें तुम गलत गैस दे रहे हो और तुम कॉन्फिडेंस से भाई मैं तो ले बिल्कुल नहीं. So sorry sir, I don't know about this topic, I've forgotten this, but when I go back home I can
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Do they ask this question why IMT Ghaziabad? ये सब पूछा था किसी को?
Yes.
It's a standard thing.
Yeah, it's
क्या आंसर देते हो? Campus ये वो.
one biggest answer that I think is also applicable for IMT Ghaziabad is यहाँ का alum base बहुत बड़ा.
Exactly.
It's pretty huge. From 85 now people are in the biggest companies that we can imagine. So I think I wanted to leverage that, so I gave that answer. So I think one of the answers could be that.
Which is good. And also entrepreneurship is also very good here because
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spini का CEO तुम्हारा है, Pharmacy का CEO तुम्हारा है और Unstop का CEO भी I think तुम लोगों का ही है.
Yeah, unstop
I
IMT
don't
का.
know if Puneet sir told you this because Pharmacy CEO he didn't get placed from here.
Oh.
Last day. And I remember Puneet sir telling us that it's good sometimes that you don't get placed because then the fire inside you lets you do some work and you create a company.
सर हमारा डीसीपी का एक केस है. फ्रेड्स कॉफी पार्टी. ही ओपनड इन दुबई. सो ही वेंट टू दुबई. साथ में कोर्स चल रहा था एंड ही ओपनड इन दुबई फ्रेड्स कॉफी पार्टी. शिवम नाम का बंदा है. ही इज सो गुड विद दैट एंड ही मेड like 100K followers or something on Instagram and it's a hit. It's a total hit. He was into magazines in Dubai and he's doing the academics as well साथ में. So they give you this freedom, They give you कि okay, you try it out, you go for it.
Nice.
That's something that's nice about
ये
IMT.
तेरे बैच में किया कॉलेज?
Yeah, exactly.
Not bad, not bad. Dubai campus काफी प्यारा है इनका. I've been there for sure. Superb यार, this is amazing. Any parting thoughts for all of them? We want them to convert यार into. तुम आए हो वापस अभी चैनल पे तो थोड़ा ज्ञान दो इनको. क्या करंट अफेयर तो समझ आ गई पिछले 3 महीने के सारे पढ़ ले. टैरिफ वाला वो could be important, right?
Yeah.
पक्की बात है. Budget is definitely important. Sanctions of course. USSR, India, China, EVs. These are like standard topic which they should prepare. Anything else on the top of head?
I mean, know your background, right?
Absolutely.
तुम्हारा जो graduation हुआ है, they'll ask you on that because they want to know कि यार तुमने पहले college किया था, how active were you there, right? So they'll ask you basic only, but just be thorough with it, so that you don't give any negative sign that okay यार अपने bachelor's में आपने अच्छा नहीं किया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
और IMT गाजियाबाद ऐसे लल्लू पंजू कॉलेज नहीं है. 99% अगस्त भर के हैं यहाँ पे.
Absolutely.
भर के और जिनका एक सेक्शन कट ऑफ बाई चांस नहीं होता होंगे कमेंट वो तो भर के यहाँ पे है, राइट? उनके लिए स्वीट स्पॉट है, राइट? यहाँ तो एमडी गुड़गांव जाएंगे,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे आएंगे,
Exactly.
राइट? तो उनके लिए स्वीट स्पॉट है. तो यू कैन सी लाइक एवरीबडी हियर इज अ स्मार्ट एस और these guys are sitting on rejection panel for sure. And a lot of people apply. I think 15-18,000 लोग अप्लाई भी करते होंगे.
Yeah, a lot.
यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है.
रिजेक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है. तो इसलिए यू हैव टू बी सो स्मार्ट. कन्वर्ट करो, बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे अपनी पास ऑप्शन कौन सी, कहाँ नहीं जाना है.
Yeah.
आज IMT गाजियाबाद में बैठे हैं तो मैं बड़ा लॉयल हूँ तो पहले हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे. बट द कॉलेज इज डूइंग गुड राइट नाउ. यस, एनी पार्टिंग थॉट्स?
So I think mostly GK is covered. Maybe you are not aware of something, but you can relate one GK point to another. From what you know, try to answer from your perspective, from where you are coming from.
Yeah.
Maybe remember some GK point and you can relate it to the question that is being asked to you. So I think that is also one of the important things.
That's great. Thank you
Yes.
for that.
Another thing I would add is know about the hometown you're coming from, know the facts about it because they want to know how much you know about yourself and
Yeah.
your background.
Yeah.
One thing apart from all this, I would like to say that I'm so excited to be here today. I used to be on the other side of this screen, and now I'm so glad that I'm able to guide future MBA or PGDM aspirants. And I'm so thankful to you, sir, that I have watched so many of his videos to
Plus one.
see which.
Plus one.
Plus one.
would have not. There's no one who has not seen
Yeah.
your video before
Yeah.
coming to
Yeah.
It's just great work that you're doing, and please keep doing that and keep aspiring future aspirants.
थैंक यू सो मच. तुम लोग एस्पिरेशन हो भाई, तुम लोग एस्पिरेशन भाई. जो लोग कन्वर्ट करेंगे एम्प्टी का बाद अगले साल तुम आना इनको गाइड करने के लिए फॉर श्योर. और बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स डू हिट द लाइक बटन फॉर श्योर. इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दो अपने फेलो दोस्तों के साथ. और किसी की अगर एम्प्टी का बाद कॉल आई है और उनको थैंक यू पक्का लिखना कमेंट सेक्शन के अंदर, एंड यू वुड बी फ्यूचर मे बी सिटिंग डाउन हियर ऑन द अदर साइड इन दिस ऑडी of IMT Ghaziabad. Finally, अपना प्रोफाइल लिखना at what percentile you guys have got a call, और जिनका इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है, इंटरव्यू के बारे में बताना कि मेरा इंटरव्यू ऐसा था. Let's keep it the help desk for IMT Ghaziabad. अगर उस क्वेश्चन हो तो you guys can reply to them as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
absolutely.
बहुत बढ़िया है. कमेंट करो अपना परसेंटाइल फॉर श्योर, कितने परसेंटाइल पे कॉल आया है, अपना प्रोफाइल भी टाइप कर दो. We'll help you guys. कैसे क्वेश्चन भी आपको आ सकते हैं. All the best boys and girls. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you so much.